Oh, really, when we face the most distinct contribution is, when we face conflict, I mentioned this earlier, conflict between mind and intellect. People face this conflict. They want to do certain things. They have a strong, sincere desire to do certain things or not to do certain things. So once we understand the forces of emotions and feelings, the mystery, the mysterious functions of emotions and feelings, which actually create mental block. Mental blocks can be properly understood in the light of Patanjali's analysis. See, at psychological level, when you understand a problem, there is a lot of chance. There's every chance that you may get out of that problem. Once you understand this is the reason why I feel this way, this negativity or anything, but this is how mind normally functions, then you won't be shocked or surprised at the way your own mind functions. Then you will be able to manage your mind. So when we are not at all aware of the mysterious ways of the mind, and then we confront the problem at the mental level, then it becomes a serious problem. It's just like when suppose you're driving from San Francisco to Sacramento, and your iPhone tells you there's a possibility of traffic delay 10 miles ahead. Then if you reach that point where traffic problem begins, you won't be shocked. You'll be ready for it. But suppose you don't know it's going to happen, then when you reach there, you'll be concerned, you'll be worrying, you'll be complaining how long this is going to last. But suppose you know already that it's going to last 15 minutes, be ready for it. Like that, when you get a deeper and deeper understanding of the way your mind functions, then you will be able to manage your mind. In psychiatric treatment, you know what you do? The medicine you take will make it impossible for you to confront the problem, because the problem is just obscured from your experience. But here, the problem doesn't disappear. You are ready for the problem. And when you are ready for a problem, then problem is lesser problem. When you are ready to face a problem, that problem is a lesser problem. When you are not ready for it, it's a bigger problem. So Patanjali, that is the great contribution of Patanjali. Remember that Patanjali's system, based on these commentaries, they constitute a unique source material for understanding human mind and the human problems we are facing in today's world. System, the question arises, what's the use of learning Yoga Sutras? If a person really listens to Yoga Sutra lectures and understands and asks questions properly, I can assure you, whenever there is some kind of an anxiety problem of anxiety, irrational anxiety, worry or complaint, sometimes people feel everything is coming to a dead end, you don't know what to do, how to move. If you remember many of these ideas in the Yoga Sutras, then you will understand this is the nature of human mind. Once you understand that this is the nature of human mind, then you won't be frightened by this. I gave the example of driving and traffic problem. When you drive and when you know 10 miles ahead there's a traffic delay, and when you reach that point, then you are not shocked. Oh, we will handle that. So once we understand this is how mind works, this is how vrittis operates, then these vrittis, these agitating vrittis and samskaras will be a lesser problem. Won't be able to disturb our mind. We know this is the nature of human mind. I should mention. So once you understand the the mystery of human mind, especially vrittis, then you will be able to explain some of your own thought currents. So some of the disturbing thought currents will become less disturbing once you understand the psychological rational explanation behind it. That is one advantage. Understanding human mind, the yoga way, is a great help for remaining mentally healthy all the time. You develop a second personality. See, the one personality, what you are right now. Then another personality emerges, well equipped with these new ideas. So you'll be able to analyze your own mind. And when anger, hatred, likes and dislikes, or anxieties and worries, when these emerge in our mind, if we know some of the Yoga Sutra teachings, you'll be able to we'll be able to look at them, analyze them, understand them, and react to them, and escape the negative impact of any of this. That's an advantage of Yoga Sutra. So as we proceed